Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. Starting off with Euro USD as usual, and all of last week, look what we were doing. We were trying to sell off this area here, and it's quite a wide zone, but it's pretty much around one, a little bit above, a little bit below. But that's kind of the line in the sand, and has been sideways pretty much 3 days. It's still sideways. We're in amongst the moving averages here. Nothing really exciting me at the moment. What you do need to watch out for is see if we can get support here at 0.99902. If we can get support there, then you're looking for us to start breaking above the moving averages and looking for structure higher up. Converse is true to the downside as well, but I want to see these moving averages pointing up or pointing down before I start looking at this. So this is ranging at the moment, so I am staying out of it. Moving on to US dollar, Japanese yen. Pretty much a similar scenario. We are ranging here. Nothing really going on. Oscillators all over the place. In the middle here, no real structure at all. If we get down to the hour, you'll see grouping to downside crossover of the oscillators, looking for a move to the upside. This is saying dream on, basically. So what we're seeing here is a crossover and potentially a retest of that crossover. There is a pin bar here, but that's engulfing bar, so there's no price action structure for me off this level. So pay attention to 143.222. You could probably do it on a 15-minute. You can see 15-minute, there is structure here. Let's just do this. There's my potential double top off, not quite off a level, just short of a level. Got the 155 EMA there. So what you're looking for is a break of 143.062, and the way I would only trade that is a move down to there, which if I put my level in, look to the left, you can see lots of structure here, and that's kind of where your move to the downside would be. This is also very sideways for me at the moment, so if you're going to trade lower time frames, you've got time to watch this and sit in front of the screen, then that's what I would be looking for, that double top rejection. Crossover is bearish, but then I'd be looking for a move to here. It's only when we start breaking through 142.906 and a retest of that I'll start looking for a proper move there to the downside. Moving on to British pound, Japanese yen. We were watching this level last week. It failed. So next level is down here, and then you also have a gap as a magnet. This is also all over the place. We're not finding structure on the moving averages. We're above and below the moving averages. Nothing that really excites me when that's happening on the 8 hour. However, on the hour, the trend is down. We are looking for opportunities to short, and this is your target area. So the first area that I can see is going to be up here, and that is at 163.965, and there is another area slightly higher up which would be fairly interesting as well, and that is 164.329. So price gets up to there, I'd be looking for a move back down to this 162.665 area, or alternatively 162.232 area. But until we get some kind of a move, and you can see even on the 15-minute, it's all over the place at the moment, sideways. Don't really want to get stuck in that. I want price up here before I start looking for any moves. Lastly, Euro, British pound, looking like we are finally getting the breakouts. Just want to get to the weekly. You can see we've had all of these, all the sellers that came in off here, all of last year and this year we've been doing the same. We are now breaking out of that structure, and we are heading for this zone here at 0.88595. Look to the left, a lot of interaction there. That's kind of the long-term target at the moment. If you look at the 8 hour, we do have everything indicating pullback. So you're looking for a pullback onto 0.87191. If we get down to the hour, you're going to see Bit of well, not a bit, quite serious diversions here. Price making highs, oscillators making lows. So we are definitely looking for this area, and there are multiple little micro zones or micro levels here. 087291 is another one that you need to pay attention to. If you drop down to the 15-minute, you'll probably see others as well, and there is one right there. So for today, watch out for 087531 on the 15-minute, and then on the hour, you need to be watching for 087291. That would be a fairly decent area to get long again. So probably the only one that I'd be paying attention to. Don't want to be long up here, looking for a move to the downside. Dollar, I'm not even interested in today. We'll wait for some better structure there before we get stuck into that. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.